Kamu mau lancar berbahasa Inggris? Kesungguhan dan konsistensi merupakan kunci utama yang perlu kalian miliki saat mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Rutinlah mengulang materi ini dengan praktik mandiri atau dengan temanmu dan rasakan bagaimana peningkatannya. Ayo mulai. Apakah kamu bekerja akhir pekan ini?
Are you working this weekend? Are you working this weekend?
Tidak, saya libur.
No, I'm off. No, I'm off.
Hari ini terik, mau ke kolam renang.
It's hot today. Want to go to the pool. It's hot today. Want to go to the pool.
Maaf saya tak bisa, saya harus belanja.
I can't. I need to go shopping. I can't. I need to go shopping.
Bisa bantu saya memanen buah mangga.
Can you help me harvest the mangoes? Can you help me harvest the mangoes?
Baik, saya akan ambilkan tangga.
Sure, I'll get the ladder. Sure, I'll get the ladder.
Lihat, ada kupu-kupu di bunga.
Look, there's a butterfly on the flower. Look, there's a butterfly on the flower.
Benar, warnanya sangat cantik.
True, it's really beautiful. True, it's really beautiful.
Ayo berjalan-jalan ke taman kota.
Let's take a walk to the city park. Let's take a walk to the city park.
Baik, saya akan siap dalam 15 menit.
Okay, I'll be ready in 15 minutes. Okay, I'll be ready in 15 minutes.
Kita harus merencanakan pendakian gunung.
We have to plan a mountain hike. We have to plan a mountain hike.
Tentu, saya akan mengambil peta trek.
Sure, I'll get the trek map. Sure, I'll get the trek map.
Bermain layang-layang di taman suara menyenangkan.
Flying a kite in the park sounds fun. Flying a kite in the park sounds fun.
Itu akan menarik.
It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting.
Mau kemana kita sore ini?
Where are we going this afternoon? Where are we going this afternoon?
Bagaimana jika kita pergi memancing?
How about we go fishing? How about we go fishing?
Bisa tolong cetak dokumen ini?
Could you print this document? Could you print this document?
Siap. Berapa salinannya?
Sure. How many copies? Sure. How many copies?
Saat jam makan siang, mau makan di mana?
Where do you want to eat for lunch? Where do you want to eat for lunch?
Bagaimana kalau di kafe seberang jalan?
How about the cafe across the street? How about the cafe across the street?
Tagihan untuk klien ini sudah dibayar.
Has the bill for this client been paid? Has the bill for this client been paid?
Sudah, saya sudah mengurusnya minggu lalu.
Yes, I took care of it last week. Yes, I took care of it last week.
Paket saya belum juga sampai.
My package has not arrived yet. My package has not arrived yet.
Mari saya cek status pengirimannya.
Let me check the delivery status. Let me check the delivery status.
Tolong pesankan taksi untuk saya.
Please order a taxi for me. Please order a taxi for me.
Baik, untuk jam berapa?
All right, for what time? All right, for what time?
Kita butuh lebih banyak kertas di printer.
We need more paper in the printer. We need more paper in the printer.
Saya akan isi ulang sekarang.
I will refill it right now. I will refill it right now.
Jam berapa kita mulai meeting?
What time do we start the meeting? What time do we start the meeting?
Pukul 10 pagi.
At 10 o'clock in the morning. At 10 o'clock in the morning.
Bisakah kamu bantu saya mengecek email?
Can you help me check emails? Can you help me check emails?
Tentu. Apakah ada yang penting?
Sure. Is there anything important? Sure. Is there anything important?
Laporan mingguannya apa sudah selesai?
Have you finished the weekly report? Have you finished the weekly report?
Belum, tapi hampir selesai.
Not yet, but almost done. Not yet, but almost done.
Apa kamu sudah sarapan?
Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast?
Belum, saya sedang menyiapkannya.
Not yet, I'm preparing it. Not yet, I'm preparing it.
Ada rencana untuk liburan?
Any plans for the holiday? Any plans for the holiday?
Saya ingin berkunjung ke pantai.
I'm thinking of visiting the beach. I'm thinking of visiting the beach.
Bisa tolong buka jendela?
Could you open the window? Could you open the window?
Tentu, biar udara segar masuk.
Sure. Let's get some fresh air in. Sure. Let's get some fresh air in.
Aku kehabisan pulpen.
I'm out of pens. I'm out of pens.
Tunggu, saya punya pena lebih.
Wait, I have an extra one. Wait, I have an extra one.
Tolong putar musik yang enak.
Please play some nice music. Please play some nice music.
Baiklah, mari kita dengarkan jazz.
Okay, let's listen to some jazz. Okay, let's listen to some jazz.
Bisakah kamu ikut belanja nanti?
Can you come shopping later? Can you come shopping later?
Tentu, saya mau ikut.
Sure, I'd like to join. Sure, I'd like to join.
Bisa bantu saya mengangkat ini?
Could you help me lift this? Could you help me lift this?
Tentu, mari kita angkat bersama.
Of course, let's lift it together. Of course, let's lift it together.
Apa kamu melihat kucingku?
Have you seen my cat? Have you seen my cat?
Tadi dia di taman.
She was in the garden earlier. She was in the garden earlier.
Seberapa jauh bandara dari sini?
How far is the airport from here? How far is the airport from here?
Sekitar 1 jam perjalanan.
About an hour's drive. About an hour's drive.
Bisakah kita berangkat lebih awal?
Can we leave earlier? Can we leave earlier?
Baik, saya akan siapkan segalanya.
Good, I'll get everything ready. Good, I'll get everything ready.
Kabar baiknya apa hari ini?
What's the good news today? What's the good news today?
Saya baru saja mendapat naik gaji.
I just got a raise. I just got a raise.
Kamu tahu di mana kunci mobil?
Do you know where the car keys are? Do you know where the car keys are?
Saya pikir di atas meja.
I think they're on the table. I think they're on the table.
Bisakah kamu buatkan saya teh?
Can you make me some tea? Can you make me some tea?
Tentu, teh hijau atau hitam.
Sure, green or black tea. Sure, green or black tea.
Apakah kamu butuh bantuan?
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
Ya, tolong bawakan kotak ini.
Yes, please carry this box. Yes, please carry this box.
Kamu bisa berbicara bahasa Spanyol.
Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish?
Sedikit, saya masih belajar.
A little, I'm still learning. A little, I'm still learning.
Apa ini stasiun kereta yang tepat?
Is this the right train station? Is this the right train station?
Ya, ini tempatnya.
Yes, this is the place. Yes, this is the place.
Seberapa sering kamu berolahraga?
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
Hampir setiap hari.
Almost every day. Almost every day.
Jam berapa toko buku tutup?
What time does the bookstore close? What time does the bookstore close?
Pukul 8 malam.
At 8 in the evening. At 8 in the evening.
Apakah hari ini hari yang sibuk?
Is today a busy day? Is today a busy day?
Ya, banyak yang harus saya lakukan.
Yes, I've got a lot to do. Yes, I've got a lot to do.
Apa kamu masih ingat alamatnya?
Do you still remember the address? Do you still remember the address?
Sepertinya saya perlu memeriksanya lagi.
I think I need to check it again. I think I need to check it again.
Apakah kamu sudah memeriksa cuaca?
Have you checked the weather? Have you checked the weather?
Belum? Bisakah kamu lihatkan?
Not yet. Can you look it up? Not yet. Can you look it up?
Bisakah kita makan di luar malam ini?
Can we eat out tonight? Can we eat out tonight?
Tentu, saya ingin steak.
Sure, I'm craving steak. Sure, I'm craving steak.
Bisa tolong antarkan surat ini?
Could you deliver this letter? Could you deliver this letter?
Baik, saya akan mampir ke pos.
All right, I'll stop by the post office. All right, I'll stop by the post office.
Kapan kamu selesai kerja?
When do you finish work? When do you finish work?
Saya selesai setelah jam 5.
I get off at 5. I get off at 5.
Kapan terakhir kali kamu potong rambut?
When was the last time you got a haircut? When was the last time you got a haircut?
Bulan lalu, sudah waktunya untuk bulan lain.
Last month, it's about time for another. Last month, it's about time for another.
Taman itu terlihat bagus untuk piknik.
That park looks nice for a picnic. That park looks nice for a picnic.
Ya, mari kita pergi akhir pekan ini.
Yes, let's go there this weekend. Yes, let's go there this weekend.
Apa kamu sudah makan siang?
Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch?
Belum, mari kita makan bersama.
Not yet. Let's have it together. Not yet. Let's have it together.
Bisa tolong atur alarm jam 6?
Could you set the alarm for 6 o'clock? Could you set the alarm for 6 o'clock?
Tentu, saya akan mengaturnya.
Sure, I'll set it up. Sure, I'll set it up.
Apa kamu tahu harus melakukan apa?
Do you know what to do? Do you know what to do?
Ya, saya sudah membuat daftar.
Yes, I've made a list. Yes, I've made a list.
Apakah ini sentermu?
Is this your flashlight? Is this your flashlight?
Ya, saya sedang mencarinya.
Yes, I was looking for it. Yes, I was looking for it.
Ada diskon tuh di toko favoritmu?
There's a sale at your favorite store. There's a sale at your favorite store.
Serius, mari kita cek.
Really? Let's check it out. Really? Let's check it out.
Tolong kirimkan resep terbaru untuk chef.
Please send the latest recipe to the chef. Please send the latest recipe to the chef.
Baik, saya akan kirim segera.
Okay, I'll send it right away. Okay, I'll send it right away.
Apa kamu sudah memperbarui basis data pelanggan?
Have you updated the customer database? Have you updated the customer database?
Baru saja selesai, semuanya sudah update.
Just finished, it's all up to date. Just finished, it's all up to date.
Apakah kamu bisa mengatur ulang jadwal pelatihan?
Can you rearrange the training schedule? Can you rearrange the training schedule?
Ya, saya akan coba mencari waktu yang lebih baik.
Yes, I'll try to find a better time. Yes, I'll try to find a better time.
Kenapa kamu sakit perut?
Why do you have a stomach ache? Why do you have a stomach ache?
Saya belum makan sejak malam.
I haven't eaten since evening. I haven't eaten since evening.
Tolong siapkan meja untuk 6 orang.
Please prepare a table for 6. Please prepare a table for 6.
Tentu saja, Izinkan saya untuk menyiapkannya.
Of course, allow me to get it ready. Of course, allow me to get it ready.
Apakah akan ada diskon khusus akhir tahun?
Will there be any end of year specials? Will there be any end of year specials?
Iya, kami sedang mempersiapkannya.
Yes, we are preparing them. Yes, we are preparing them.
Apakah printer sudah diperbaiki?
Has the printer been fixed? Has the printer been fixed?
Iya, sekarang sudah bisa digunakan kembali.
Yes, it's now back in working order. Yes, it's now back in working order.
Tolong pesankan makan siang untuk rapat.
Please order lunch for the meeting. Please order lunch for the meeting.
Apa preferensi makanan mereka?
What are their food preferences? What are their food preferences?
Aku butuh bantuan terkait penyusunan budget.
I need help with the budgeting. I need help with the budgeting.
Saya bisa bantu. Apa yang Anda perlukan?
I can help. What do you need? I can help. What do you need?
Kita perlu diskusi tentang target penjualan tahunan.
We need to discuss the annual sales target. We need to discuss the annual sales target.
Saya setuju. Mari kita atur waktu.
I agree. Let's set a time. I agree. Let's set a time.
Apakah kamu bisa bantu saya menghitung inventaris?
Can you help me count the inventory? Can you help me count the inventory?
Tentu. Mari kita mulai dari bagian penyimpanan.
Sure. Let's start with the storage section. Sure. Let's start with the storage section.
Bolehkah saya meminjam pena Anda?
May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen?
Tentu, silakan.
Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead.
Apakah kamu bisa membantu saya terkait presentasi ini?
Can you help me with this presentation? Can you help me with this presentation?
Dengan senang hati.
With pleasure. With pleasure.
Kapan batas waktu penyerahan proyek ini?
When is the deadline for this project? When is the deadline for this project?
Akhir bulan nanti.
By the end of the month. By the end of the month.
Bagaimana progres tugasmu hari ini?
How is your task progress today? How is your task progress today?
Saya hampir menyelesaikannya.
I'm almost done with it. I'm almost done with it.
Apakah Anda bisa mengirim email itu sekarang?
Can you send that email now? Can you send that email now?
Saya akan mengirimnya dalam 5 menit.
I'll send it in 5 minutes. I'll send it in 5 minutes.
Kapan kamu bisa memberi saya masukan?
When can you give me feedback? When can you give me feedback?
Dalam 1 jam lagi.
In an hour. In an hour.
Apakah Anda sudah memesan taksi untuk menuju klien?
Have you ordered a taxi to go to the client? Have you ordered a taxi to go to the client?
Belum, tapi saya akan pesan sekarang.
Not yet, but I will order it now. Not yet, but I will order it now.
Apakah ada kode akses Wi-Fi baru?
Is there a new Wi-Fi access code? Is there a new Wi-Fi access code?
Ya, saya akan kirimkan kepada Anda.
Yes, I'll send it to you. Yes, I'll send it to you.
Bisakah kita pindah ke meja yang lebih besar?
Can we move to a bigger table? Can we move to a bigger table?
Mari saya tanyakan kepada pelayan.
Let me ask the waiter. Let me ask the waiter.
Apakah Anda puas dengan layanan kami hari ini?
Are you satisfied with our service today? Are you satisfied with our service today?
Sangat puas, terima kasih.
Very satisfied, thank you. Very satisfied, thank you.
Kapan Anda bisa memberikan laporan penjualan?
When can you provide the sales report? When can you provide the sales report?
Besok pagi saya akan siapkan.
I'll have it ready by tomorrow morning. I'll have it ready by tomorrow morning.
Bisakah Anda mengatur ulang jadwal pertemuan saya?
Can you rearrange my meeting schedule? Can you rearrange my meeting schedule?
Tentu, saya akan atur sekarang.
Sure, I'll do it now. Sure, I'll do it now.
Kapan sesi pelatihan baru akan dimulai?
When will the new training session start? When will the new training session start?
Minggu depan, pada hari Senin.
Next week, on Monday. Next week, on Monday.
Bisakah kita makan siang bersama besok?
Can we have lunch together tomorrow? Can we have lunch together tomorrow?
Tentu, saya senang sekali.
Of course, I'd love to. Of course, I'd love to.
Bisa pesankan kopi untukku.
Can you order coffee for me? Can you order coffee for me?
Tentu, kopi apa yang Anda mau?
Sure. What coffee would you like? Sure. What coffee would you like?
Kapan kita bisa membahas proyek baru?
When can we discuss the new project? When can we discuss the new project?
Bagaimana dengan hari Kamis?
How about Thursday? How about Thursday?
Apakah perlu saya untuk mengerjakannya hari ini?
Do you need me to work on this today? Do you need me to work on this today?
Iya, kalau bisa selesai sebelum jam 5.
Yes, if possible, before 5 o'clock. Yes, if possible, before 5 o'clock.
Bisa bantu saya mengatur file ini?
Can you help me organize these files? Can you help me organize these files?
Tentu, ayo kita atur bersama.
Of course, let's organize them together. Of course, let's organize them together.
Apakah Anda sudah mereview proposal yang saya kirim?
Have you reviewed the proposal I sent? Have you reviewed the proposal I sent?
Belum, tapi akan saya lakukan sekarang.
Not yet, but I will do it now. Not yet, but I will do it now.
Apa kamu siap untuk rapat pagi ini?
Are you ready for the morning meeting? Are you ready for the morning meeting?
Ya, saya telah mempersiapkan semua materi.
Yes, I have prepared all the materials. Yes, I have prepared all the materials.
Apakah kamu sudah memesan makan siang?
Have you ordered lunch yet? Have you ordered lunch yet?
Belum, saya akan memesannya sekarang.
Not yet. I will order it right now. Not yet. I will order it right now.
Bisa tolong cetak laporan ini?
Could you please print this report? Could you please print this report?
Tentu, beri saya 5 menit.
Sure. Give me 5 minutes. Sure. Give me 5 minutes.
Saya perlu menyelesaikan tugas ini.
I need to finish this task. I need to finish this task.
Apa kamu butuh bantuan?
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
Bisakah Anda mengirim email ini?
Can you send this email? Can you send this email?
Ya, saya bisa melakukan itu sekarang.
Yes, I can do that right now. Yes, I can do that right now.
Bagaimana kemajuan proyek tersebut?
How is the progress on that project? How is the progress on that project?
Kami hampir selesai dengan segalanya.
We're almost done with everything. We're almost done with everything.
Tugas apa yang harus saya kerjakan hari ini?
Which task should I work on today? Which task should I work on today?
Kamu bisa memulainya dengan riset pasar.
You can start with the market research. You can start with the market research.
Jam berapa jadwal meeting?
What time is the meeting scheduled? What time is the meeting scheduled?
Jam 10 pagi di ruang konferensi.
At 10 a.m. in the conference room. At 10 a.m. in the conference room.
Apa saya bisa minta salinan dokumen itu?
Could I get a copy of that document? Could I get a copy of that document?
Tentu, saya akan mengirimkannya via email.
Certainly, I will send it to you by email. Certainly, I will send it to you by email.
Bisakah saya memesan meja untuk 2 orang?
Can I reserve a table for 2? Can I reserve a table for 2?
Tentu saja, untuk jam berapa?
Of course, for what time? Of course, for what time?
Kami ingin melihat menu, tolong.
We'd like to see the menu, please. We'd like to see the menu, please.
Saya akan membawakannya.
I'll bring it over. I'll bring it over.
Bisakah kamu bantu saya menemukan alamat ini?
Can you help me find this address? Can you help me find this address?
Tentu, mari saya tunjukkan di peta.
Sure, let me show you on the map. Sure, let me show you on the map.
Apakah ada Wi-Fi gratis di sini?
Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Ya, kata sandinya adalah welcome 123.
Yes, the password is welcome 123. Yes, the password is welcome 123.
Tolong panaskan makanan ini.
Please heat this up. Please heat this up.
Tentu, hanya butuh beberapa menit.
Sure, it will just take a few minutes. Sure, it will just take a few minutes.
Bisakah saya mendapatkan tambahan saus?
Can I get some extra sauce? Can I get some extra sauce?
Tentu, saya akan membawakannya.
Sure, I'll bring it right away. Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Kamu mau ikut makan siang?
Do you want to join for lunch? Do you want to join for lunch?
Mungkin lain kali, saya terlalu sibuk hari ini.
Maybe next time. I'm too busy today. Maybe next time. I'm too busy today.
Apakah Anda punya kertas yang bisa saya pinjam?
Do you have paper I can borrow? Do you have paper I can borrow?
Ada di laci saya, silakan ambil.
It's in my drawer. Feel free to take it. It's in my drawer. Feel free to take it.
Apakah Anda tahu password Wi-Fi?
Do you know the Wi-Fi password? Do you know the Wi-Fi password?
Ya, itu Office 123.
Yes, it's Office 123. Yes, it's Office 123.
Ayo kita buat kopi bersama di dapur.
Let's make coffee together in the kitchen. Let's make coffee together in the kitchen.
Baiklah, saya akan ikut.
All right, I'll join. All right, I'll join.
Kamu lihat file itu di mana terakhir kali?
Where did you see that file last time? Where did you see that file last time?
Di meja rapat.
On the meeting table. On the meeting table.
Bisa pesan makan siang untuk kita berdua.
Can you order lunch for both of us? Can you order lunch for both of us?
Tentu, mau makan apa hari ini?
Of course. What do you want to eat today? Of course. What do you want to eat today?
Bisa tolong buatkan kopi untuk saya.
Could you make a coffee for me? Could you make a coffee for me?
Tentu, kamu suka manis atau pahit?
Sure. Do you like it sweet or bitter? Sure. Do you like it sweet or bitter?
Sudahkah kamu melihat proposal yang saya kirim?
Did you see the proposal I sent? Did you see the proposal I sent?
Iya, saya baca nanti siang.
Yes, I'll read it later today. Yes, I'll read it later today.
Bisakah kamu membantuku memilih desain ini?
Can you help me choose this design? Can you help me choose this design?
Tentu, yang ini tampak lebih menarik.
Sure, this one looks more appealing. Sure, this one looks more appealing.
Ayo kita makan siang di restoran baru tersebut.
Let's have lunch at that new restaurant. Let's have lunch at that new restaurant.
Dengar-dengar mereka punya menu lezat.
I heard they have delicious menu. I heard they have delicious menu.
Apakah kita perlu memperbaharui perangkat lunak?
Do we need to update the software? Do we need to update the software?
Iya, versi terbaru punya fitur lebih baik.
Yes, the latest version has better features. Yes, the latest version has better features.
Mari kita diskusikan target kuartal berikutnya.
Let's discuss next quarter's targets. Let's discuss next quarter's targets.
Baik, saya akan siapkan datanya.
Okay, I will prepare the data. Okay, I will prepare the data.
Ayo kita cek ulang anggaran untuk acara tersebut.
Let's recheck the budget for that event. Let's recheck the budget for that event.
Baik, agar tidak ada yang terlewat.
Good, so nothing is missed. Good. So nothing is missed.
Bisakah kamu tolong pesankan taksi untuk tamu?
Can you order a taxi for the guest? Can you order a taxi for the guest?
Tentu, akan saya lakukan segera.
Sure, I will do it right away. Sure, I will do it right away.
Apakah kamu memiliki kontak vendor yang baru?
Do you have the new vendor's contact? Do you have the new vendor's contact?
Iya, saya kirimkan ke emailmu.
Yes, I'll send it to your email. Yes, I'll send it to your email.
Kita perlu rencana cadangan jika hujan.
We need a backup plan in case it rains. We need a backup plan in case it rains.
Baik, kita bisa gunakan ruangan dalam.
Okay, we can use the indoor room. Okay, we can use the indoor room.
Bagaimana kalau kita undang pembicara tamu?
What if we invite a guest speaker? What if we invite a guest speaker?
Itu akan menambah nilai acara kita.
That would add value to our event. That would add value to our event.
Apa kamu bisa memeriksa stok perlengkapan kantor?
Can you check the office supplies stock? Can you check the office supplies stock?
Ya, akan saya lakukan sekarang.
Yes, I'll do it now. Yes, I'll do it now.
Bagaimana kalau kita kerjakan laporan bersama?
What if we work on the report together? What if we work on the report together?
Ide bagus, dua kepala lebih baik.
Great idea, two heads are better. Great idea, two heads are better.
Kita perlu strategi baru untuk media sosial.
We need a new strategy for social media. We need a new strategy for social media.
Saya setuju. Mari kita bertukar pikiran.
I agree, let's brainstorm. I agree, let's brainstorm.
Kita butuh ide untuk kampanye berikutnya.
We need ideas for the next campaign. We need ideas for the next campaign.
Bagaimana kalau kita fokus pada keberlanjutan?
What if we focus on sustainability? What if we focus on sustainability?
Kita perlu memperbarui kebijakan privasi.
We need to update the privacy policy. We need to update the privacy policy.
Baik, saya akan konsultasikan dengan tim legal.
Okay, I'll consult with the legal team. Okay, I'll consult with the legal team.
Bisa kamu review dokumen ini sebentar?
Can you review this document briefly? Can you review this document briefly?
Tentu, biarkan saya lihat.
Sure, let me take a look. Sure, let me take a look.
Kita perlu pelatihan tim untuk alat baru.
We need team training for the new tool. We need team training for the new tool.
Saya setuju, pelatihan itu penting.
I agree, training is important. I agree, training is important.
Apakah kita sudah mengirim buletin bulan ini?
Have we sent this month's newsletter? Have we sent this month's newsletter?
Belum, saya akan kerjakan hari ini.
Not yet, I'll work on it today. Not yet, I'll work on it today.
Kita perlu mengatur ulang tata ruang kantor.
We need to rearrange the office layout. We need to rearrange the office layout.
Ya, untuk efisiensi ruang kerja.
Yes, for workspace efficiency. Yes, for workspace efficiency.
Ayo kita adakan kuis mingguan untuk tim.
Let's have a weekly quiz for the team. Let's have a weekly quiz for the team.
Menarik, bisa meningkatkan keakraban.
Interesting, it can enhance closeness. Interesting, it can enhance closeness.
Bisa kamu bantu saya dengan kode ini?
Can you help me with this code? Can you help me with this code?
Tentu, mari kita lihat bersama.
Sure, let's look at it together. Sure, let's look at it together.
Kita perlu memperbarui sistem IT kita.
We need to update our IT system. We need to update our IT system.
Setuju, saya akan hubungi penyedia layanan.
Agreed, I'll contact the service provider. Agreed, I'll contact the service provider.
Ayo kita diskusikan rencana anggaran berikutnya.
Let's discuss the next budget plan. Let's discuss the next budget plan.
Baik, saya sudah siapkan datanya.
Good, I've prepared the data. Good, I've prepared the data.
Bisakah kamu review email pemasaran ini?
Could you review this marketing email? Could you review this marketing email?
Tentu, saya akan memberikan saran.
Sure, I'll give feedback. Sure, I'll give feedback.
Apa kamu memiliki update tentang proyek itu?
Do you have any updates on that project? Do you have any updates on that project?
Ya, kita sudah dekat dengan target.
Yes, we are close to the target. Yes, we are close to the target.
Mari kita diskusikan inisiatif keberlanjutan.
Let's discuss sustainability initiatives. Let's discuss sustainability initiatives.
Baik, ini penting untuk masa depan.
Okay, it's important for the future. Okay, it's important for the future.
Sepertinya kita perlu lebih banyak ruang penyimpanan.
It seems we need more storage space. It seems we need more storage space.
Saya setuju, mari kita cari solusi.
I agree, let's look for a solution. I agree, let's look for a solution.
Bisa bantu saya terkait pengaturan ini?
Can you help me with this arrangement? Can you help me with this arrangement?
Tentu, apa yang perlu saya lakukan?
Sure. What do you need me to do? Sure. What do you need me to do?
Kita perlu ide baru untuk konten blog.
We need new ideas for blog content. We need new ideas for blog content.
Mari kita bertukar pikiran bersama.
Let's brainstorm together. Let's brainstorm together.
Bagaimana dengan rencana ekspansi kita?
How about our expansion plan? How about our expansion plan?
Ini saat yang tepat untuk membicarakannya.
It's the right time to discuss it. It's the right time to discuss it.
Bisa kamu bantu pesan makanan untuk rapat?
Can you help order food for the meeting? Can you help order food for the meeting?
Tentu, saya akan pesan yang semua sukai.
Sure, I'll order everyone's favorite. Sure, I'll order everyone's favorite.
Kita perlu merancang poster untuk event ini.
We need to design a poster for this event. We need to design a poster for this event.
Saya akan bekerja sama dengan tim desain.
I'll collaborate with the design team. I'll collaborate with the design team.
Mari kita buat daftar tugas untuk minggu ini.
Let's make a to-do list for this week. Let's make a to-do list for this week.
Baik, saya mulai dengan prioritas utama.
All right, I'll start with the main priorities. All right, I'll start with the main priorities.
Bisakah kita lembur malam ini?
Can we work overtime tonight? Can we work overtime tonight?
Jika perlu, saya siap membantu.
If necessary, I'm ready to help. If necessary, I'm ready to help.
Kita perlu memperbaharui lisensi perangkat lunak.
We need to renew the software licenses. We need to renew the software licenses.
Baik, saya akan mengurusnya sekarang.
Okay, I'll take care of it now. Okay, I'll take care of it now.
Apakah kamu sudah punya akses ke folder proyek ini?
Do you have access to this project's folder? Do you have access to this project's folder?
Belum? Bisa kamu berikan akses?
Not yet. Can you give me access? Not yet. Can you give me access?
Apakah kamu sudah mengecek email hari ini?
Have you checked your email today? Have you checked your email today?
Ya, saya baru saja memeriksanya.
Yes, I just checked it. Yes, I just checked it.
Mari kita makan siang bersama hari ini.
Let's have lunch together today. Let's have lunch together today.
Bagus, saya tahu tempat yang enak.
Great. I know a nice place. Great. I know a nice place.
Kamu mau pesan apa untuk makan siang?
What would you like to order for lunch? What would you like to order for lunch?
Saya ingin mencoba salad buah.
I'd like to try the fruit salad. I'd like to try the fruit salad.
Tolong susun kembali meja konferensi ini.
Please rearrange this conference table. Please rearrange this conference table.
Ya, saya akan melakukannya segera.
Yes, I will do that right away. Yes, I will do that right away.
Bisakah kamu pesan taksi untuk tamu kita?
Can you order a taxi for our guest? Can you order a taxi for our guest?
Tentu, aku akan hubungi sekarang.
Sure, I will contact them now. Sure, I will contact them now.
Kamu sudah lihat berkas yang saya tinggalkan di meja.
Did you see the file I left on the desk? Did you see the file I left on the desk?
Ya, saya meletakkannya di rak Anda.
Yes, I placed it on your shelf. Yes, I placed it on your shelf.
Bisakah kamu rekomendasikan hidangan khusus hari ini?
Can you recommend today's special dish? Can you recommend today's special dish?
Tentu, hidangan khususnya adalah iga bakar.
Certainly, the special is grilled ribs. Certainly, the special is grilled ribs.
Tolong kirim proposal ini sebelum jam 3 sore.
Please send this proposal before 3 p.m. Please send this proposal before 3 p.m.
Baik, saya akan pastikan dikirim tepat waktu.
All right. I will make sure it's sent on time. All right. I will make sure it's sent on time.